In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase in Lovable. We'll walk through the process from the Lovable dashboard all the way to signing into your Supabase account so the connection can begin. This is a simple setup, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. To get started, go to Lovable and make sure you're on the home page or dashboard area. This is where you'll find the main navigation and access to your project settings and integrations. If you've just logged in, take a quick moment to let the page fully load so all menu options are visible. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Lovable keeps its main navigation in the sidebar, and that's where you'll find the section needed for this setup. The left panel is the easiest place to move between different parts of the platform, so if you ever feel lost, it's a good place to return to. In that sidebar, click on Connectors. This section is where Lovable lets you link external tools and services to your workspace. Opening Connectors will show you the available integrations you can use. Next, look for Supabase in the list of connectors and click on it. Be sure to select the Supabase option specifically, since that will open the connection details for that service. If you have several connectors visible, you may need to scan the page carefully to find it. Once you're inside the Supabase connector page, click on Connect Supabase. This is the button that starts the authorization process between Lovable and your Supabase account. After you click it, a new browser tab will open automatically. In that new tab, you'll be taken to the Supabase sign-in page. This step is normal because Lovable needs permission from your Supabase account before the two platforms can work together. On the sign-in screen, enter your Supabase email and password in the appropriate fields. Make sure you're using the correct login details for the account you want connected. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to continue. That completes the action shown here and moves you forward in the connection process. As a quick tip, if the new tab doesn't appear, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups. Also, if your login doesn't work right away, double check your credentials before trying again. And that's how to connect Supabase in Lovable. Once you've signed in, you'll be one step closer to using Supabase with your Lovable setup.